Hi, welcome back to my channel. So today is World Pasta Day and I'm here to make for you a very quick and easy pasta recipe for the whole entire family. So sit back, watch and enjoy. So as you can see, I have some pasta there and I'm using the penny pasta and I have my boiled egg, but guys, you can use any pasta of your choice. I bring some water to a boil. I had a tablespoon of salt, some oil which will hinder the pasta from sticking together. Then I cook my pasta for approximately 11 minutes. After 11 minutes, my pasta was nicely cooked, not too soft and still yet tender. Then we'll be making the sauce for the eggs. So in another saucepan, I had some coconut oil, but you can use any oil of your choice. Some baby tomatoes, and I'm using the baby cherry tomatoes because they give out a nice flavor to your recipes. Saute for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then I had some chopped peppers and onions. Then we're going to saute that for another 2 to 3 minutes. I'm adding some Maggi, some Italian herbs, some dry parsley, some garlic granules. Give it a stir. Then I'm adding some tomato puree. Give it a stir. Then I add my eggs and I combine my eggs very well to the sauce. Leave it to cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. Then it is ready to add to your pasta. So now we'll be adding this egg sauce to the pasta. And this recipe is quick and easy. It takes approximately 20 minutes to be ready, so there's not a long time waiting. Combine it very well together. Then I'm adding my secret weapon to this recipe, which is my son's favorite, and this is Ghanaian shitu. It gives out a nice flavor, but don't be mindful not to add too much because this is really spicy. Then it is ready to serve, and I'm just garnishing with some chopped parsley. And there you go, guys. Very quick and easy family recipe, and this is one the whole family will enjoy. Very low budget. This cost £5 and it was a very tasty recipe. God bless you and bye bye.